Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you something super exciting, a handpicked list of the 25 best kitchen deals you can grab right now during Amazon Prime Day 2025. This is the biggest shopping event of the season, and trust me, if you've been thinking about upgrading your kitchen, organizing your space, or simply treating yourself to some useful tools, now is the time. I've done all the digging for you so you don't have to scroll through hundreds of listings. Whether you're a coffee lover, a smoothie fan, a meal prep master, or someone who just loves beautiful and functional kitchen gear, you're going to find something here that makes your life easier and your kitchen smarter. From premium blenders and espresso machines to storage containers, cookware sets, and time-saving gadgets, I've got it all covered in this video. And the best part, most of these deals are limited-time offers, some up to 50% off or more. So if something catches your eye, don't wait too long. I've added the links to each product in the description below so you can grab them instantly. So sit back, relax, maybe grab a snack, because we are about to go through 25 of the most exciting kitchen finds on Prime Day 2025. And before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, so you never miss a single update on deals, product tips, and smart home upgrades. Let's jump right into it.
I thought I was shopping smart. Turns out I'm just a shopaholic.
1. Ninja Thirsti Drink System. If you're trying to cut down on soda or sugary drinks, but still crave something bubbly, this gadget is a game changer. The Ninja Thirsti lets you make your own sparkling or still drinks at home, fresh, clean, and customize. You can personalize the flavor, fizz level, and size, all in one sleek machine. It comes with a 60L CO2 cylinder, and a variety of flavored water drops that taste amazing. Whether you're into fruit flavors or something light and refreshing, you're covered. It's super easy to use, and the design is modern and compact, perfect for any kitchen. I love that it saves money on store-bought drinks and reduces plastic waste. And let's be honest, it's fun. This is one of the most underrated, but brilliant Prime Day finds you'll thank yourself for. Philips Baristina Espresso Machine Plus Milk Frother. If you've ever wanted that real coffee shop vibe at home, this machine will blow your mind. The Philips Baristina gives you real espresso with rich crema every time. It's compact but powerful, combining a portafilter, grinder, and frother in one. And yes, it does both hot and cold milk foam, for both dairy and non-dairy options. I love how sleek it looks in white, and it's super easy to clean too. Whether you're into lattes, cappuccinos, or just a strong espresso shot, this machine delivers it all. You'll stop spending money at cafes after trying this, seriously. It's 50% off right now, making it one of the craziest value deals on Prime Day. Get ready to become your own favorite barista. This blender is not just powerful, it's a beast in the kitchen. The Vitamix 5200 blends everything from frozen fruit to nuts, and even makes hot soup with just friction. It's the kind of tool that takes your smoothies, sauces, and soups to a whole new level. You get a massive 64-ounce pitcher that's perfect for family-sized batches. The motor is so strong, it can even crush ice effortlessly. But what I love most, it's built to last for years, making it a real investment in your kitchen. If you've been waiting for a sign to upgrade your blender, this is it. And with Prime Day savings, you're getting a professional-grade appliance at a killer price. 4. Keurig K-Elite Single-Serve Coffee Maker. This is not your basic coffee machine. The K-Elite is built for true coffee lovers. With strength and temperature control, you can customize every single cup to perfection. It even has an iced coffee feature for summer cravings. The sleek brushed slate finish looks gorgeous on any counter. And it brews in under a minute. Talk about speed. Whether you need a bold morning cup, or a light afternoon pick-me-up, this machine does it all. It's compact, super easy to clean, and compatible with hundreds of K-cups. At 52% off, this is a no-brainer upgrade. 5. Hexclad 6-piece fry pan set. If Gordon Ramsay uses Hexclad, you know it's legit. This 6-piece hybrid non-stick set is perfect for serious home cooks, or beginners wanting better cookware. You get 3 pans, 8, 10, and 12-inch, each with a tempered glass lid. The stay-cool handles make cooking comfortable and safe. They are dishwasher safe, oven safe, and induction ready, basically everything proof. I love how evenly they heat, and they look super sleek in any kitchen. These pans are a long-term investment and cook like a dream. Food doesn't stick, and cleanup is ridiculously easy. If you're upgrading your kitchen this Prime Day, start with these. 6. NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender. Don't let the size fool you, this little blender is seriously powerful. The NutriBullet Ultra gives you quick, smooth blends with no chunks, no hassle. It's ideal for protein shakes, smoothies, and even baby food. The 32-ounce cup is the perfect grab-and-go size for busy mornings. It has a sleek pearl white design, and it looks beautiful on any counter. Plus, it's super easy to clean, just rinse and go. At 45% off, this is a budget-friendly upgrade that punches above its weight. Perfect for students, moms, or anyone trying to eat cleaner. Honestly, it's one of the most useful tools you'll add to your kitchen. 7. Nespresso Virtuo Plus by Breville. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. The Nespresso Virtuo Plus gives you rich, crema-topped espresso or coffee with the push of a button. It scans the barcode on each pod and adjusts the brew settings automatically. That means perfect results every single time, no guessing. It heats up fast and looks stunning in ink black. Plus, it's compact and doesn't take up much counter space. If you want high-end coffee without the high effort, this machine is a dream. At 35% off, it's one of the best value espresso machines this Prime Day. Say goodbye to cafe lines and hello to luxury brewing at home. 8. Casabrew CM5418 Espresso Machine. This compact 20-bar espresso machine is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune for a great cup. It comes with a steam milk frother and a removable 34-ounce water tank, perfect for daily use. The stainless steel body feels solid and high quality. Whether you're making cappuccinos, lattes, or Americanos, it gets the job done beautifully. It even has a cup warming tray, such a nice touch. Setup is easy, and the compact size fits perfectly in smaller kitchens. It's perfect for beginners who want to explore espresso making. At just $118.99 on Prime Day, it's a steal for serious coffee fans. Affordable, powerful, and stylish, what more could you want? 9. Cookware Fuzzy Logic Rice Cooker. This isn't just a rice cooker, it's a smart cooking assistant. The Cookware 3-cup rice cooker uses fuzzy logic to cook rice perfectly every time, adjusting temperature and time automatically. It also works as a steamer, with a delay timer and keep warm function. The non-stick inner pot makes cleanup easy and prevents overcooking. It's compact, modern, and super efficient. Great for singles, couples, or small families. I love how hands-off it is. Just set it and forget it. And the price? Only $69.99 with 30% off. A Prime Day kitchen win you'll use all the time. 10. Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender Bundle. Immersion blenders are the ultimate convenience tool, and this one from Vitamix is next level. It has a powerful 625-watt motor, with 5 speed settings for total control. You can blend soups, sauces, and even smoothies directly in the pot. It comes with a whisk attachment and a storage case, making it a complete kitchen solution. I love how easy it is to use with one hand, and the cord is long enough for full flexibility. The stainless steel design feels premium and looks amazing. If you meal prep or love making sauces, this tool will save you hours. At 35% off, it's a professional tool at a home kitchen price. 11. OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. If you're serious about coffee, a good grinder changes everything, and this one delivers. The OXO Brew Conical Burr Grinder ensures consistent grounds for a better tasting cup. It has 15 settings, so you can go from fine espresso to coarse cold brew effortlessly. The hopper holds up to 0.75 pounds of beans, which is perfect for daily use. Its sleek design fits beautifully on any kitchen counter. 12. McCook Knife Set with Built-in Sharpener. This is more than just a knife set, it's a full kitchen cutting solution. You get a full range of German stainless steel knives, all organized in a sleek wooden block. But here's the best part. The built-in sharpener keeps them razor-sharp every time. No more dull knives ruining your prep work. The set includes chef's knives, utility, paring, scissors, everything you need. It's both beginner-friendly and high-performant. And at 58% off, it's one of the best value kitchen bundles on this list. Safe, beautiful, and super functional, this will instantly upgrade your cooking game. Every kitchen needs this kind of quality set. 13. Upströmen 3.2 cu. Foot Mini Fridge with Freezer. This isn't just a dorm room appliance, it's a compact kitchen hero. The Upstream Mini Fridge offers serious storage in a sleek, space-saving design. It comes with an independent freezer, adjustable shelves, and a quiet operation. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, small apartments, or even as a second fridge in your kitchen. It's energy efficient and cools evenly, keeping your drinks and snacks fresh. I love how easy it is to move and organize. It even comes in aesthetic blue. Whether you're meal prepping or just want more space, this is a smart buy. 14. Full-Star Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. Say goodbye to tedious chopping. This tool makes prep fast and fun. The Full-Star 4-in-1 chopper lets you dice, slice, and spiralize your veggies in seconds. It comes with a container that catches everything neatly, so there's no mess. The blades are super sharp and swap out easily depending on your need. Perfect for salads, stir-fries, or even meal prep boxes. It's compact and stores away neatly when you're done. Whether you're a beginner cook or a meal prep pro, this saves serious time. And at 50% off, it's one of the cheapest time-saving gadgets you can buy. Once you try it, it becomes your everyday go-to. 15. UJR Slushie Machine, no ice needed. This is not just a kitchen gadget, it's a whole vibe for summer. The UJR Slushie Maker can create frozen cocktails, frappes, milkshakes, and even ice cream, no ice needed. It has a real-time temperature display and a self-cleaning function too. With 6 preset modes, it takes all the guesswork out. Perfect for parties, family nights, or cooling off after a hot day. The machine is sleek, powerful, and easy to use. At 27% off, it's a fun splurge that turns your kitchen into a treat zone. Kids and adults will both love it. If summer had a favorite appliance, this would be it. 16. Stanley Quencher H2.0 Flow State Tumbler. This is the tumbler that took social media by storm, and for good reason. The Stanley Quencher H2.0 keeps your drinks cold all day with its double-wall insulation. It holds a generous amount of water or smoothies, and fits in cup holders too. The Flow State lid makes it spill-resistant, which is a game-changer on the go. It's lightweight, sturdy, and comes in a variety of fun colors. Everyone from fitness enthusiasts to busy moms is raving about this one. 17. Caraway Square Cookware Set. If you love clean cooking and stunning design, this one's for you. The Caraway Square Cookware Set is non-stick, non-toxic, and drop-dead gorgeous. It's perfect for griddling, roasting, and searing with minimal oil. The ceramic coating means easy cooking and even easier cleanup. Plus, it's free from harmful chemicals like PTFE and PFOA. The square shape is unique and makes storage super efficient. It looks amazing on any stove. Seriously, it's Instagram-worthy cookware. It's priced higher, but with 20% off for Prime Day, it's worth the investment. This set is for those who want both performance and beauty in their kitchen. 18. Simple Human Large Capacity Dish Rack. This dish rack is in a league of its own. The Simple Human Drying Rack has a 360-degree swivel spout, anti-residue coating, and can hold wine glasses, utensils, and heavy dishes. It's built with stainless steel and moisture control surfaces that prevent mold or gunk buildup. Everything dries faster and cleaner. I love the thoughtful design. It's stylish but incredibly functional. It makes post-dinner cleanup way less frustrating. The compact footprint still offers a large capacity. And at 15% off, it's a great time to upgrade your counter space. Clean dishes, less mess, and a smarter kitchen, that's a win. This is the do-it-all multi-cooker that simplifies cooking with the push of a button. The Dream Cooker lets you pressure cook, slow cook, saute, and keep warm, all in one pot. It features a hands-free steam release and an intuitive, tailored control panel. You don't need to babysit it, just set it and forget it. The design is beautiful, and it saves you from having 4 different appliances. Whether you're cooking for one or a family of 5, it adapts perfectly. At 20% off, it's a premium tool at a more accessible price. Less stress, less mess, and better food every night. This is a must for busy homes. 20. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. If you want fast chopping without all the noise and bulk, this little machine delivers. The Hamilton Beach 3-cup chopper is perfect for mincing garlic, onions, herbs, and even nuts. It runs on a 350-watt motor, giving you quick, even result. One press and you're done. It's that easy. It's compact, affordable, and super beginner-friendly. Perfect for small kitchens or quick meal prep. The parts are dishwasher safe, which saves even more time. At 44% off, this is a smart deal for under $15. Simple, powerful, and way more useful than you'd expect. 21. Blue Diamond 12-piece cookware set. This is not your average set of pots and pans, it's a diamond-coated powerhouse. The Blue Diamond hybrid set features true-ply construction and PFAS-free ceramic coating. That means it's oven-safe, induction-ready, and even safe with metal utensils. It resists warping and heats up evenly every time. The set includes everything you need to cook like a pro: sauté pans, saucepans, and more. It's also dishwasher safe, which makes life easier. The silver stainless steel design looks sleek and professional. And with 30% off, it's a rare chance to upgrade your whole kitchen at once. This is premium quality at a price that makes sense. 22. Tasty Crisp Electric Air Fryer. Compact, cute, and powerful, this air fryer is perfect for small kitchens. The Tasty Crisp has a 2.6 quart capacity and cooks food in minutes with less oil. The aqua color is bright and cheerful, and the design is very beginner-friendly. It's ideal for making crispy fries, nuggets, veggies, and more. Auto shut-off adds safety, especially for busy homes. I love how fast it preheats and how evenly it cooks. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick basket. At 40% off, it's one of the best affordable air fryer deals today. Delicious food, healthier cooking, and no hassle, yes please. 23. Airtight Food Storage Containers, 8-piece set. If kitchen organization is your thing, these containers will make your day. This 8-piece airtight set includes a built-in vacuum sealer and patented double silicone lining. That means 100% leak-proof, BPA-free storage for dry goods, snacks, or leftovers. They are stackable, space-saving, and super durable. The smart one-click lid makes sealing and opening quick and easy. You even get a total of 46 cups of storage capacity, which is impressive. 24. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Say goodbye to twisting and grinding manually. This set does it all for you. These automatic battery-powered grinders come in a sleek black design and adjust coarseness with just one button. Each unit has a LED light, so you can season precisely even during candlelit dinners. The large capacity means you don't have to refill often. They are easy to clean and refill too. Perfect for anyone with joint pain, or just for making your table feel more elegant. The upgraded design looks classy on the counter or dining table. At 32% off, this set is a thoughtful gift or personal upgrade. Practical, modern, and just a little bit fancy. 25. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Machine. Ready to turn your kitchen into a summer fun zone. The Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A makes light, fluffy snow cones at home, just add syrup. It comes with 2 reusable cups, a non-slip mat, and a simple instruction manual. Perfect for kids, parties, or just beating the heat. The machine is compact and super easy to use, no learning curve at all. It's also safe, fast, and surprisingly quiet. At just $33.95 and 43% off, it's a no-regret splurge. Add this to your summer essentials list, because let's be honest, who doesn't love a snow cone?